Yo, it's your boy Kobus, the realest OG inspired by the ghost in the machine. I'm back with an update on the trade that I took on Friday. So this trade I took it based on the 3-hour model. Okay, so I saw that price entered that gap and it started to decline to the upside. So we had this rejection candle. See this candle? We had a rejection, and then when I went to 15 minutes I saw this, so I entered using this order block open, and then my stop loss was here at the low. Okay, so currently price it has closed with a bearish candle. It does not look good. It looks like it's gonna gap down when it opens, but again I'm just going to let price do its thing. My target was those higher time frame highs, this relative equal highs. Okay, gold was very bullish, very bullish. It didn't even give me an opportunity to enter according to the way I anticipated. But in case we hit my stop loss, this trade it is still valid in my eyes. Okay, we still have this inverse gap here with an order block below, with a propulsion block. So this is the propulsion block. Okay, this red candle, and then these two candles here, this is my true order block. So price may still sweep these lows here, okay, dip into this inverse gap, and then maybe continue upside. If price does that, if it does offer me buying opportunities, like after sweeping that sell side, it creates buy models, I'm going to re-enter this setup, still aiming for these highs here. Okay, and again I'll just watch if the trade that I took still holds or it hits stop loss or what. Yeah, but yeah, this actually looked good, just that it was Friday, and again I'm starting to think of it from my past trades, that usually the first gap will get respected, and then when I'm talking about the first gap, I'm talking about this. I remember I once took a trade where the first gap got respected, and then this acted as a breakaway gap, and then later we came to respect this, and then price pushed up. I think it was actually on, is that on silver or on gold? I'm not quite sure. No, I think it's on gold and silver, or on GBP USD and Euro USD. But I remember the same model actually happening. But currently what I'm seeing is I'm seeing price coming to this gap here. Okay, and then I think it's going to hit my stop loss, but I'm going to let the market do its thing. I don't want to interfere with the positions. This is the trade I took based on what I was seeing on Friday, and then I'm going to allow the market to play its role. When I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, we make money. Yeah, so that's what I have for this setup. I'm just gonna watch if this hold. In a nutshell, I'm gonna watch if this setup holds, or if price comes to this level here and gives me another buy model. Okay, so yeah, this is for silver, and then let's go for gold. Gold is so bullish. I don't like how it actually moved, but we'll just see how it happens. We can see how gold is it was so bullish, it didn't even like come to the gap that I highlighted there. Okay, so and it actually broke, it actually swept, not broke, but it swept those highs there, but silver didn't sweep them. Okay, so again, what I'm seeing here is a buy model on an hourly chart. We'll see if this holds, but I'm not confident about this buy model. But what I'm seeing here on a daily time frame is that the previous day, or the current day, Friday, closed outside of Thursday high. So I'm anticipating that the next day will be bullish. So we will see where it actually turns. Gold may still come to this level and retest that level and then go up, while silver maybe sweeps the low, creating some form of divergence. Gold may come here to retest this gap and go up. Will that happen? I don't know. But I anticipate that if gold does that and comes to this level, silver would have probably consolidated, or it is going to take out its low here. Which low am I talking about? So if that happens, maybe silver will come and let me do this. If that happens on gold, silver will probably sweep this low here, where you see the curse or whatever they call it. Yeah, or this will hold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to monitor how price trends. I don't know how price is going to behave this week, but I'm anticipating bullish prices this week. So we're just going to wait and see what price does offer us. Okay, but yeah, on a higher time frame, I'm still bullish. Yep, so that's what I have. I'm signing out. Peace.